Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna create a poster for the beauty product. First of all, I created a rectangle. The rectangle I created, put the gradient color, which will look good. Now open the layer 2. Then I put a bokeh light effect, which makes my poster more deeper and more attractive. Now overlay the layer and this, yeah, it's so fine. Yeah, I've created a new layer, then placed a new image. That image is a product image. First of all, I put the cream jar, rasterize the layer, then object selection tool, select the object, plus alt plus, then control plus j, created a new layer, delete the previous one. Yeah, now control plus t, transform the product, transform the jar. Yes, create a new layer, place a cosmetic bottle, then yes, touch the layer, magic wand tool, select subject was selected, control plus J, delete the previous one, control plus T, change the size, yeah, put the layer 2 below the layer 1, yeah, now looks fine. Now put the third one, that one is tube, yeah, just touch the layer, put the layer in the front, magic wand tool, control plus J, create a new layer, delete the previous one. Same procedure applied on all. Yeah, control plus T. Yes, that's it. Yeah, layer 1, layer 3, below the layer 2. Now I have added a new image. That one is water splash effect. Yes, to make my product more natural and more refreshing because it's a beauty product. That's one. Yes. Control T, transform the layer. Put that water splash layer behind the layer 3, behind the tube. Yeah, that's it. Now I use the warp tool. To it looks like that water splash is revolving around my tube. It's look more natural. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. Perfect. Now I change the luminosity of that water splash to make more real of that water splash. Control plus T. Yeah. Luminosity. That's good. Yes. Now select the layer 1. Put the second image of water splash. Yes. Select. Then rasterize. Then magic wand. Delete the background. Put that second one water splash behind that. Yes. Change to luminosity to make more real, more refreshing. Yes. I put the new image of leaf from which my product was extracted. I use aloe vera leaf and different leaves to make that poster more real and more natural. Now delete that also, the extra area. It select the subject. Wait for a minute please. Yeah, it's selected and then delete it. Create a new layer, delete the previous one. Yes. Now you see the difference. Now I select every leaf from the group because I have to displace every leaf in different position. That's why. Now select this leaf also. Object selection tool. Select the subject. Ctrl plus J. New layer. Selected. Again. Same. Ctrl plus J. Every object, every leaf was in the new layer. Later I show you what. Yes. Now I deleted the group of leaves. Now every leaf, yeah, it's separated from that group. I place the leaf in my poster where it requests. Yeah, put that behind the tube, that leaf, and this leaf also behind the jar. Layer 8 behind the layer 3. Layer 8 copy behind the layer 2. Alt copy. Same. Now I added the text in the top of the poster. I use that font, change the color of my text, change the font and color for that white beauty. Yes, now it's look good. Now I created a ellipse by using ellipse tool. Shift, make the perfect ellipse. Change the gradient color for that ellipse. Edit a new layer. Add the text above the ellipse. Change the font of the text. Now align the text inside the circle, inside the ellipse. Yeah, now looks fine. Now I created a rectangle by using rectangle tool. Let me check by using direct selection tool. Is it working or not? I don't think so. Leave it. I have to change the round corners to rounded corners. Yes, that option is good. Yeah, let it change to the 5. Uh, no, not looks fine. Let change to the 10. Is it? No. Let's change the color. It's not look good. Yeah, now looks good. Let's change it to the 50. Yes, that one look good. Is it? Yes. Now edit the text above that rectangle, rounded rectangle. Now edit one more text in the text layer. Guys, if you like my video, follow for more tutorials. Thank you. If you like the video, if you like the tutorial, please subscribe my channel.